What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz. We're in the mall Sheffield and we've bought our Nissan Pulsar GTi-R to show people what it's like. We've got a load of fans coming up to it, but in this video today I'm going to show you what cars have come. It's a mixture of cars as well, so there's not just Japs, there's Germans, American cars, muscle cars, Italian cars, everything. So let's just take a walk around of what we got. So we've got Honda Civics, 340i, Yaris GRs. So we'll take a walk around of what we got, so I can show you how many cars are here. So this is basically in Sheffield, the mall, Sheffield city centre. So if they do it every year as well. They've got proper performance cars here. 140i, Cupra R, 350Z, basically all in the heart of Sheffield, and it just spans on all the way to the top, which I'm going to come and show you now, and I'll show you which cars we have. So on this side, on the top side, you've got your Petrolhead MX-5s, you've got a 350Z there, old school Astra. There's loads of Fords. You know, the other end, which I'm going to show you after this video, there's loads of Fords, Ford RS Fiestas, loads. You've got your Skodas as well, but I tell you what, it's a nice looking Skoda. This nice looking Skoda, that. You got simulators as well if you want to go in simulators, get a high score. Oh, we'll have to have a go, Right, let's take you to the top here. Start off from here. So you got Dodge Challenger, American Muscle. I don't know if it's an SRT though, I don't think so. You got this Mustang here. Let's take a look at this. Wow. I don't know, this should be parked next to my Nissan Pulsar, this R34 Skyline. Should be parked next to my Pulsar, that. You got your Mustangs, Ferraris, Beamers as well. Got a DJ on as well, hopefully I won't get done. Beamers, you got a couple of Fords there, Volkswagen Jetta, a couple of old school motors there as well. Nice, this is the top side. There's a few cars here, but there's still more cars to go as well. So let me just show you what they got here. So we've got some Golfs. I don't know if that's an old school Jetta, MX-5s, Audi TTs, Audi R8s, GT, 911 Turbo. No idea what that is. Is it Hyundai though? I don't know. So that's the top side of it now, where Arundel Gate is. Now we're going to head down to the bottom side and show you the Ford stand, which some of the cars there, I've got some really nice show cars there as well. So let's walk all the way down past my car and I'll show you the Ford stand. So we've just come from the top down there. Here's my car. Now let's show you this end of the car show, where we've got the proper show cars when it comes to Fords. Basically, most of them are Fords down here. And I'm going to show you, puts my car to shame when it comes to the style and looks and how clean these cars are. But these are newer cars, bearing in mind. Everyone's showing the engine bays and stuff. Ford Mondeos, Ford Focus STs, Ford Focus RSs, Fiestas. Oh, we've got a red battle going on. Yeah. Wait. Yaris GR. It's quite a few years, about 3 or 4 years as well. Yaris GRs. Got some Lexuses. A couple of old school cars which I don't know what they are, which are right in this corner around here. No idea what these. Obviously the Fords, but old school. No idea what that is. So on this side, all Ford Focus STs, they've got their own stand as well, because there's loads. RSs, STs, even the Escort covered wheels on that one. You just look at the engine bay. Look how nice they are. Proper show cars. Should be some more cars coming, but I don't think they're allowed in because there's a certain time where you can actually pull your car in. Some people have missed that slot.